Number 31. The fossils of Sinanthropus pekensis or Peking man have been discovered in which epoch? Peking man or Homo erectus pekensis developed during the duration of Middle Pleistocene epoch. So the correct answer is A. Pleistocene. Question number 32. Which one is not a vestigial organ in man? Not a vestigial organ. A. Vermiform appendix. It is a vestigial organ. B. Plica semilunaris. It is also a vestigial organ. C. Ear muscles. It is also a vestigial organ. D. Malleus. It is a ear bone and it is functional. So it is not a vestigial organ. So correct answer is D. Question number 33. Which of the following are homologous organs? Homologous organs. A. Wings of birds and locust. It shows analogy. B. Wings of bat and butterfly. It also shows analogy. C. Leg of cockroach and frog. It also shows analogy. D. Wings of birds and pectoral fins of the bird. It shows homology, as both are the modification of forelimbs. So the correct answer is D. Question number 34. Two organs with similar in structure and origin. Similar in origin and similar in structure, but not necessarily in function, are called homologous organs. So the correct answer is A. Homologous organs. Question number 35. Age of the fossils in the past was generally determined by radiocarbon method and other methods involving radioactive elements found in the rocks. Most precise method which were used recently and led to the revision of the evolutionary periods of the different group of the organism includes A. Electron spin resonance and fossil DNA. B. Study of the carbohydrate protein in the rocks. Study of the carbohydrate protein in fossil. study of the conditions of fossilization. Correct answer is A. Electron spin resonance. And fossil deal. Question number 36. Evidences that evolution of life form has indeed taken place on Earth has come out from. Evidences of evolution. A. Fossil study, paleontological evidence, that is correct. B. Morphological and comparatively anatomical study, that is also correct. C. Biochemical study, that is also correct. And D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D. Question number 37. Early Africa man was discovered in 1948 by Leakey. It was A. Homo habilis, B. Gigantopithecus, C. Proconsul, D. Homo erectus. Correct answer is C. Proconsul. Proconsul is referred as ancestor of apes. Question number 38. What is the basis of evolution? Unit of evolution. Population. And unit of natural selection is individual. Evolution is a consequence of natural selection. So the correct answer is B. Individual. Question number 39. Choose the correct pair. Correct pair. A. Darwin and evening primos, that is false. B. Hugo de Vries and Finchbird, that is also wrong. C. Lamarck and acquired characteristics, that is correct. And D. Miller and blue-green algae, that is wrong. So the correct pair is C. Answer is C. Question number 40. When Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus were existing. Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus existed during 15 million years ago. So the correct answer is C. About 15 million years ago. Question number 41. Geological evidence of most primitive mammal is found in A. Central Africa, B. China, C. India, Shivalik Hills, or D. Australia. Correct answer is A. Central Africa. Question number 42. Match the names of the items listed under column 1 with the items under column 2. Choose the answer which gives the correct combination of the alphabets of the two columns. Match the columns. A. Ketone. Ketone is a carbonyl group within the carbon chain. Matches with S. B. Fatty acid. Has long chain of carbon and hydrogen atoms, that is Q. C. Aldehyde. Aldehyde has a carbonyl group at the end of the carbon chain, that is R. D. Nucleotide. Nucleotide has 5 carbon. Sugar, a pentose group. Nucleotide. B. So the correct answer is A. Question number 43. The closest relative of modern day man is considered to be A. Chimpanzee, B. Orangutan, C. Apes, D. Gibbon. Correct answer is A. Chimpanzee. Question number 44. Birds are evolved from A. Non-chordates, B. Reptiles, C. Amphibians, D. Fishes. Evolutionary sequence of vertebrates is fishes evolved to amphibians, amphibians evolved to reptiles, and then reptiles formed birds and mammals. So birds are evolved from reptiles. Correct answer is B. Question number 45. Which of the following stood erect first? Stood erect first. A. Java man, B. Peking man, C. Australopithecus, D. Cro-Magnon man. Correct answer is C. Australopithecus. It is the first fossil of humans. It is considered as ape man. Connecting link between apes and human.